Democrat Lapdog caught forging votes for Hillary, court hands down stiff sentence. Virginia Governor Terry McAuliffe, in a bid to ensure that Hillary would win the lovers' state, signed a law that would restore the voting rights of 206,000 felons. That was in April last year. Republicans sued and the VA courts said that he could do it, but only on a case-by-case basis. So, by August, he had restored 13K, and by November, right before the vote, he restored another 60K, for a grand total of 73K votes for Hillary. I'll bet she was happy about that. In the end, Hillary did win the state, but only by a narrow 212,330 votes. As it turns out, she garnered a great many illegal votes, which of course derails the liberal narrative about winning the popular vote. And if you're looking for more evidence, the Daily Caller. The U.S. District Court for the Western District of Virginia sentenced on Monday a James Madison University student to at least 100 days in prison for registering names of deceased persons to vote, CBS 6 WTV Hour reported. Andrew J. Spiels worked for a Democrat-affiliated organization known as Harrisonburg Votes at the time he committed the crime, according to acting United States Attorney Rick A. Mountcastle. In July 2016, Spiels' job was to register as many voters as possible and reported to Democratic campaign headquarters in Harrisonburg, a U.S. Attorney's Office spokesperson told CBS 6. A staffer at the registrar's office recognized the name on one of the registration forms submitted was the deceased father of a nearby county judge. At that point, the registrar's office found numerous instances of similarly falsified forms after going through additional registrations. Story continues below. This included deceased individuals and forms with false names, birth dates, social security numbers, etc. The perpetrator admitted that he falsified the voter registration forms, and nobody was surprised to learn he was doing all this for the sake of the Democratic Party. Big surprise. The party that goes out of its way to defend every lowlife, that wants to deliver the world on a silver platter to the non-producers, that believes criminals, that is, illegal aliens, are somehow unfairly persecuted, probably love this. We find it appalling. And furthermore, this is only one incident of one staffer. Think of how many of these staffers could have done the same and multiply the fraud by that number. Yeah, big problem. No wonder President Donald Trump wants to clean things up. Let's just hope he can manage it before the next big election.